I'm going to show you how I make a really quick smoothie, and I do take supplements. I'll show you some of the ones that I take in a few minutes, but I really do believe in trying to really maximize the nutritional quality in the foods that I eat. So first up, I have frozen avocados. A lot of people aren't aware that actually avocados make smoothies super creamy, and you just have to scoop them out, pop them in the freezer. So it's a really handy thing if you're making a salad and you don't know what to do with the other half. Scoop it out, pop it in the freezer. I also always have frozen berries because not only do these help minimize food waste, they're just a really convenient thing to have in my freezer as well. In terms of sweetening this, I'm going to use dates, which are a great source of fibre. It's just important to make sure that they are pitted because there's a little stone inside them, but they're going to add loads of natural sweetness. And then otherwise, I'm going to add some chia seeds and also some maca powder, and both of those are a great source of calcium and magnesium. I have some plant-based milk, and then if I want a little bit of crunch, these are cacao nibs, which are kind of like raw cocoa beans. They do have a tiny bit of naturally forming caffeine in them, so if you're very sensitive to caffeine, I wouldn't have this late at night. If I'm training a lot or I just really want to feel completely satisfied, I'll add a vegan protein. There's a few of them that are a rice or a pea protein, and this is one brand I definitely really love at the moment, and the sachets are very handy. So just to add a tiny bit of crunch, I'm going to add in some raw cacao nibs, and then that's pretty much it.